This is a PowerPoint on weather. This is cold air and warm air going up and down. Whenever the warm air goes up, it cools off and gets cold. But whenever it goes back down, it gets warmer.
Okay, when they hit the middle, what happens?
When they hit the middle, they create lightning. They create a big explosion, which is lightning. Kaboom!
Okay, what's going on here? Whose is this? This is Robbie. Okay, Robbie, explain what's happening here. That's not mine. Rowan, explain.
So this is basically the same as the last one. It's hot and cold air combining.
It's not just hot and cold air. Which one hit each other?
Positive and negative charges.
Okay, try again. It's water, guys. Water vapor going up, and then frozen things coming down, okay?
So water vapor goes up and frozen things come down.
And what happens in the middle?
They collide and make, they collide.
Okay. This is one. Let me go straight to this. Okay. Jalen, can you take the mic and explain this one? What's happening in here for DLL?
Positive and negative charges attract. So all the negative charges are in the palm tree, and they move down, and the positive charges move back up into the tree.
And then what attracts?
And then the negatives attract to the positives in the palm tree and create lightning.
Some more light. This is it. Explain, Rowan.
This is a PowerPoint on lightning, how lightning forms, and it never stand under a tree during a thunderstorm.
So what kind of electrons are at the top of the tree during a lightning?
Positive. Positive electrons
What's
at
at the bottom of the cloud?
negative electrons. Then it catches on fire.
Okay, whose is this?
Mine. It's pretty much the exact same thing. So lightning strikes, and then everything, and then the lightning goes through the tree, and they're, yeah.
That was right, actually. That's probably need to move this positive a little higher.
You're right. Yeah, you're right. So the lightning goes through the tree, hits the man, and it all gets set on fire.
Whose is this?
Mine. Go back. Go back. So this is rain. Where does rain come from? That's what everyone asks. It comes when warm water gets sucked into the clouds, and the cloud gets bigger until the cloud bursts and then releases the water called rain. So bring an umbrella.
What's happening here is the tornadoes can form when the warm air just gets through all the cold air. But the cold air, it tries to stay above the warm air, so it's kind of like they have an air war. And it swirls around and it can create a tornado.
Okay, what is this thing out here? So what's really good?
Oh, that's kind of like a boxing glove, like punching a hole through the air.
And it's punching a hole through the cold air. So what does warm air want to do? It has to do it.
Warm air wants to rise, but the cold air tries to stay on top of it. So basically, they're having a war the whole entire time.
And then warm air. Whose is this one? Isn't that Ethan's also?
Robbie, come here. Wait, this is Ethan.
Okay, explain this.
Okay, so this is how tornadoes are formed. So the cold air is on top, and then the hot air tries to go up, and then it pushes the cold air down, and then it starts spinning, and the cold air then comes to the bottom. And this is a picture I found, and it helped me figure out how tornadoes were formed more.
Is this the hole in the cold air? And then the
Yeah.
This is the only way the warm air can get out, right?
Yep. And then that's just a picture.
Oh, that's a great one.
Robbie. Here, Robbie.
So what's happening? So what's happening now is the fist that's supposed to be like one of the punch box things. It's punching a hole through the cold air, and then the warm air comes through the hole and creating a vacuum, which sucks other air into it, creating the tornado. And that's what happens.
Yeah,
Really
Brad,
we have some more stuff at the top. Okay, we already did this one, right?
So that's stuff.
Paul, what's this?
So basically, I tried to make a hurricane in the geothermal things.
Okay, so hurricanes start here, right?
Yes.
And
Hurricanes
as they go
start
across,
over there.
and the hurricane's right there.
And as they go across the
What ocean is this?
Atlantic,
Yes.
as they go across the Atlantic Ocean, they go from a tropical depression to a tropical storm, and then into a hurricane.
Whose is this? Ethan, is this yours? I think that's Spencer's. Oh, Spencer. Is that yours too, Spencer?
No. No.
That one?
Yes.
What's happening in this slide? You can just hold it. Just hold the microphone. What's happening there?
So what's happening here is that the warm air goes up.
I'm not trying to do anything. I'm trying to get the animation to go.
You can just do it once.
Got it?
No.
Okay. I didn't do anything. And when I click, it goes to the next slide.
Just all I gotta do is click it once. And it turns to cold air and turns back to warm. And repeats.
Oh, sorry. I'll go back. So if you just click it once, oh my gosh.
Yeah,
I'm
it'll all
just
go.
clicking. Sorry. It's just doing it, guys. Yes.
There we
Go
go.
automatically, Spencer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
And it repeats. There we go.
That was good. That video was